Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to improve your balance fast and easily. This will be a full tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into the video. Let's say you want to improve your balance, this is the video for you. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to have better overall balance. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet, so just stay around until the end. It'll be nice and quick, and the last few are probably the most important things that you can practice for balance improvement overall, okay? Overall body balance improvement. So, and I promised myself this is going to be the only take of this video because I messed it up a few times. So we're just going to go through with it. Number 1 is to strengthen your lower body muscles. So you want to make your lower body muscles stronger. Now, how do you do that? Well, basically any form of exercise that involves your legs, that's how you strengthen your lower body muscles. Okay. So walking, running, jogging, hill sprinting, riding a bike, walking up the stairs instead of taking the elevator, and so forth. Strengthen those lower body muscles. Your balance will greatly improve really quickly because your lower body muscles are a key factor, as well as your core muscles, but your core muscles are being worked all day long, basically. Number 2, stretch every single day. By stretching every single day, you're going to loosen those tight muscles. And some of the tight muscle fibers are what cause you to not be good at balancing. So by stretching every day and loosening those tight muscle fibers, you're actually going to be better at balancing because all of your muscle fibers will be nice and loose. And they're needed to balance. They're needed to be loose in order to balance. You need loose, stretched muscle fibers and muscle tissue in order to balance properly. Number 3, practice balancing on one foot. You want to literally practice balancing on a single foot and alternate. So do your right foot and then do your left foot and then do your right foot and then do your left foot. Okay. Try and balance for as long as you can on each foot. And what you'll notice is that with more practice, you'll be able to balance for longer. Number 4, this is like number 3, but we're taking it to the next level. So practice balancing on one foot on an incline. So find an incline, find a hill of some sort that is inclined and practice balancing on one foot on an incline. Okay. Last but not least is number 5, which is a buildup of number 4. And it's the next level of number 4, which is practice balancing on one foot on a decline. You won't be, you'll be surprised. You'll be amazed. I was going to say you won't be surprised, but you will be surprised and amazed at how hard it is to balance on one foot on a decline. So literally practice balancing on a single foot, alternating back and forth between your right foot and your left foot on a decline. And it's hard to do, but when you can do that, you will have truly improved your balance and you'll be great at balancing overall. And that's it. That is how to improve your balance fast and easily. A full tutorial with step-by-step instructions. I've given you 5 things to do. These 5 things, let me get my hand in the camera frame here. These 5 things are honestly easy to implement, and if you do them, you're gonna have better balance. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.